Hello my friends and welcome to today's practice. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a 15-minute Qigong routine for beginners. The exercises are easy to do. You can practice them on a daily basis to work on your flexibility, improve circulation, and infuse your day with vitality and health. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos, consider joining my membership site for more videos on energy, stress relief, and sleep. And if you want to go deeper into your practice, you can join me live every Sunday on Zoom for a 45-minute Qigong session. You can find more information on how to join in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. Begin in a standing position with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Soften your knees, relax your hips, draw your tailbone a little bit forward to keep your lower back nice and neutral. Continue opening through the spine. Your spine should feel like a string of pearls hanging from the ceiling. Release the back of the neck and continue extending all the way to the sky. And allow your body to feel grounded, uplifted through the head, yet grounded through the feet. We'll begin with a full body shaking exercise to loosen up, to get the blood moving. Keep the movement light, especially if this is your first exercise of the day. Relaxing the muscles around the joints, opening the joints, relaxing the connective tissues. Just feel how your whole body is awakening. That vitality and energy beginning to circulate better. If you carry any tension in your neck and shoulders, just let it all melt down, draining down your back, to your hips, and recycling into the earth. Discharging, releasing stress, releasing tension. Very good. Slow it down. Already you might notice a difference. Shifting from left to right, knock across your abdomen and the lower back. Warm up your feet and your legs. Keep your spine straight, your lower back fairly relaxed. Not too much effort here. Tapping across the abdomen and on the rib cage is very good for digestion. Knocking on the kidneys in the lower back area will stimulate vital acupressure points that are responsible for better energy circulation through your spine. It's very good for the skeleton health and the bone health. And it gives you that natural boost of energy. Activates your internal power. Very good. Last one. Coming back. Adjust your feet. Take a moment to experience the subtle activation already. From here, we're going to stretch the front and the back of the body. Gently shifting the weight a little bit forward. Open your shoulders, open your chest. You should feel it more in your chest rather than the lower back. And then gently sinking down, rounding the upper back. On an inhale, we stand tall. Open to the sky. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Move slowly with lots of care and attention for your spine. Two more times. Exhale. Inhale, open up. Exhale, soften. Stand back up. From here, we're going to do the same exercise, but rotating the shoulders and the neck. Look at your thumb. Release on exhale, come back to center. Keep your knees lightly bent. Inhale, open. Exhale, release. This is a good exercise for opening the chest, for the neck, for the eyes. Inhale. After many years of practicing, I realized that the key to this exercise is keep your hands fairly low, at about hip level. Because if you begin to raise your hands up, you begin to create tension in your shoulders. So be mindful here, only rotating your palms outward and then relaxing back. Always listen to your body, what feels right. Good. Once more on each side. Breathing in, breathing out. From here, wrap your hands on the lower back, going counterclockwise, hip rotations. Placing your palms on the lower back area creates a comforting, soothing effect. So if you woke up feeling a little bit stiff and tight in your lower back area, keep your hands warm and place them on your lower back. That warmth will gradually penetrate and comfort your lower back, allowing the muscles to relax, improving the circulation, giving you the energy to the kidneys. Very good. When you're ready, change direction. Keep the movement nice and round without skipping the corners. Make it feel as if you're rotating a wheel or liquid inside a big bowl. And that liquid is moving slowly, hydrating, lubricating the joints, removing the waste, bringing the good stuff to all the organs that are sitting here in the lower abdominal area. Very good. Coming back to center. And here, to comfort your lower back, give it some love, rub up and down. Brush and release. From here, bring your feet together part of my teacher training course, we're studying the 8 pieces of brocade. One of the participants last week said, Kseny, this is a fantastic exercise to work on your balance, to work on your coordination, to strengthen your lower body. And I thought, yes. So I'm sharing it with you. I hope you enjoy it too. Drawing a bow and shooting an arrow. We're going to begin with the feet together, sinking down. Fill up one leg and gently step out wider than your shoulders. We're going to simplify this version, just opening one palm to the side, another one lightly pushing across, shoulders on the same line, and we're sinking into the horse stance. Gently open to the other side and return. We're doing again, opening outward, making like a scooping motion in front of the chest, and opening to open the chest, to open the heart center. Stretch to the other side and return. Take your time to feel the transition, to feel how the weight is shifting from left to right, sinking down, open, sink, free up one leg, lift, open your heart, sinking down. Stretch right across and relax. We do one more round on each side. Shifting the weight, return into center, relaxing. One more. Step out, lift, open. Making sure you align yourself properly and relax. Step out to the side, shoulder distance apart. Inhale, exhale to regulate your breath. Easy long exhale out the mouth. Inhale, drawing fresh energy and oxygen into your body. Exhale, release. In your own pace. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your breath natural. Keep it flowing. We're not over breathing here. We're trying to ground the energy, slow things down. And last one, big breath in, exhale. Always finish by concentrating on yourself, on one of the energy centers. We usually concentrate on the lower dantian, the area that is filling up the entire abdominal cavity, roughly just below your navel in the center of your body. Just a few seconds to stay still, present, and aware. Notice how you feel. Make a mental note. And if you feel good, smile to yourself. Smile to your body. And take that feeling into your day. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this practice. I hope you feel more present and centered in your body. And if you got value from this video, as always, don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Click that subscribe button, the bell. Make sure you will not miss any future videos or uploads. Until next time, I wish you great health and keep on practicing. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.